make this. I guarantee you it's very good if you like the spongy cake. If you ever try the steam kind, this tastes better, a lot better than the steam one. Crunchy still. I will eat this over and over again. To make the honeycomb without eggs, and in the scale we're gonna measure 100 grams of coconut milk, 100 gram. After the coconut, we're gonna put in 50 grams of water, 3 grams of active yeast, then we put in 100 grams of rice flour, 50 grams of tapioca, we're gonna knead. Knead for 10 minutes, nhồi 10 phút. After 10 minutes, we're gonna saran wrap it and let it rise 30 minutes. We're gonna put it where the warm place nearby the oven. I am gonna knuckle wrap it. The next step is you're gonna mix the rest of the coconut milk, 150 grams, and 135 grams of sugar. We're gonna put this in the microwave for 1 minute. Let it cool down slightly, and we add in the rest of the yeast powder. Now, after everything melts and dissolves, we add in the yeast. We're gonna leave here for 10 minutes. Make sure it's not too hot. If it's too hot right now, it's gonna kill the yeast. So it's been 30 minutes. Here's the batter, the second portion. I'm gonna pour it in here. Mix it until all the flour all dissolved. Add 1 bag of vanilla powder. I'm gonna saran wrap it and leave it here for 30 more minutes. Oil in here. And this is what it looked like after 30 minutes. It become bubbles. So now it's ready to bake. So bake for 30 minutes. 35 minutes. I'm gonna check on this. Smells very good, looks very good. But let me check. It's a little bit sticky, so I'm gonna put 5 more minutes. So this total is 40 minutes. Alright, been 40 minutes. Smells very good, looks very good. Can't wait to try. Nào nhìn đẹp ngon. I'll put some oil over it so it doesn't look too dry. Okay, now it's cooled down enough to handle. Let's take this out. I'm gonna smell it. Good. Okay, so now we're gonna do a review on this cake. So smell yeasty in here, very yummy. The top is flaking off. Let me see, let me taste. The outside right now is still kind of warm, so it's kind of crusty. Crunchy still. I like the taste. I don't know, I saw her. If you ever try the steam kind, this tastes better, a lot better than the steam one. Junie, you want some too, huh? I don't think she can. I will eat this over and over again. Try to make this. I guarantee you it's very good if you like the spongy cake. Bye, see you next time.